Hi, I'm Riley from Bodyartforms, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your brass jewelry. If you're a lover of earweights, chances are you have some brass jewelry in your collection. However, brass jewelry can naturally tarnish over time and needs occasional maintenance to keep it looking shiny and new. As with all jewelry, avoid using alcohol, acids, or other harsh chemicals to clean your brass pieces. These could damage the metal, especially if it has any kind of plating on top. Also, avoid scrubbing with anything too abrasive. A gentle cloth or soft bristle toothbrush will do just fine. To clean brass that's just a little dirty, a bit of warm water and gentle soap will do. Massage with your fingers, wipe away soap with a damp cloth, then dry immediately. Avoid submerging or prolonged exposure to water. For brass that's a little more tarnished, you can use a baking soda paste and a soft bristle toothbrush. Gently scrub the jewelry with the toothbrush to help polish away the tarnish. Clean with a damp cloth, then dry immediately. Some jewelry may have gems or cabochon inlays, so try to avoid getting these wet as water can get trapped beneath the setting and cause discoloration, degradation of adhesives, or bacterial growth. When cleaning, place your finger or a paper towel over the setting to help prevent water from getting near it. After cleaning your brass jewelry, always make sure to dry it right away, checking to make sure that there's no water left in any divots or crevices. Leaving your brass jewelry damp will cause it to tarnish all over again, eliminating the work that you just did. We hope this helps you keep your collection clean and looking new. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to follow us on all of our socials at Bodyartforms.